Hello everybody and welcome to our second week of Vlogmas. In my first week, I made a Jeff Goldblum Christmas tree. I also mentioned that I would be making a Star Wars Christmas tree. So this morning, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to a couple stores to look for a good miniature Christmas tree. I think I'm gonna put the tree right here. I'm gonna move the Mando helmet and the second sister helmet, but I think I'm gonna put it right here. It'll look cool and we're gonna go and find some stuff. Hello everybody, welcome to our second week of Vlogmas. I went to the store and I bought a bunch of Star Wars decorations or things we can use to make Star Wars decorations. I'm gonna do a little bit of a haul for you guys and show you guys what I got at the stores this morning when I went Christmas shopping. So I'm going to show you guys what we got today. The first store I went to was my local craft store and I got a Christmas tree. It's green, classic. And then I went to Walmart. I got these Christmas tree lights, straws for a craft we'll be doing, and black duct tape. Then I went to GameStop and I found this Boba Fett Christmas sweater, which is absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed with it. Perfect in time for Book of Boba Fett. And then at GameStop, I also got a Mandalorian ornament for our Christmas tree. And then I went to Hallmark and I spent way too much money. I got an ornament, which I'll show you guys soon. And then I got another ornament that I'll be showing you guys soon. To be honest, I didn't look at this Christmas tree before I bought it, so hopefully it'll work. Ooh. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, we did this last time and I messed up miserably. Hold on. I actually really like it. It's cute. What if we just... Okay, but why does it actually work? So I went onto Pinterest and I looked up Star Wars Christmas decorations and I saw a post where they made LED lightsaber Christmas lights. And I was like, oh my God, I have to make these for my Star Wars Christmas tree. And I also got this idea from my friend Dunny. His TikTok is I am Dunny if you want to go check him out. He's amazing. I love him so much. But he made these lightsaber Christmas lights and I was like, oh my God, I have to make them for my Christmas tree. So we're going to be making them. I have the LED mini lights. It's important to get LEDs because they're less hot. I got these smoothie straws. They're a bit bigger than normal straws, but I wasn't sure how big the lights would be. And then I got black tape to cover around the base. But yeah, we're gonna make these and see how they turn out. It's a lot of lights. It might be too many lights for our tiny little Christmas tree. I'm thinking of doing just blue and red. So it's let's see. No, I think they'll be perfect. We're gonna do probably about, I'd say an inch. A little more than an inch. We'll try one first. So all you have to do is cut the straw, and then you're gonna take the little straw, and you're gonna take a tiny little piece of duct tape. I did not come prepared for this. It's a lightsaber. It's a tiny little lightsaber. Oh my God, and we have to do it for all of these. I think I like the green better, because it's more it's more Christmassy, you know? So I went onto Instagram and I asked you guys to send me in all of your questions for a Q&A because I haven't done a Q&A in a while. So I'm gonna be answering y'all's questions while I make these. Oh, this one's a good one. Definitely good for this situation. What is your favorite saber color? I really like white. White is really pretty because Ahsoka. I really like purple, a good Mace Windu purple, but I've always been really iffy about my lightsaber color choices because I love all of the colors. There's different reasons I like each of them, so I'll have to say white. How many lightsabers do you own? I actually counted the other day. I own 32 lightsabers. It's bad. It's a lot, but I don't regret it. I totally don't regret it. 32 and counting. Do you have a job besides YouTube and TikTok? I quit my job to pursue this, and I'm very glad I did. No offense, Jersey Mikes. My main job, aside from social media, is acting and stunt work, and I have a certain project coming out very soon, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it because it's a really cool project that consists of acting and stunt work. Can't say anything aside from that. What's your favorite Star Wars character? Oh, okay. It's hard for me to pick like an all-time favorite Star Wars character in general, just because like I have to divide them up into like my favorite Sith, my favorite Jedi, my favorite non-Force user, my favorite bounty hunter, my favorite droid. My favorite non-Force user is Han Solo. My favorite bounty hunter is Boba Fett. My favorite Sith is either Second Sister or Darth Maul or Vader, but I do love Second Sister. We just need more. We need more Second Sister. My favorite Jedi is Obi-Wan Kenobi. Always and forever. My favorite droid is R2, always. And I love BD1 too. BD1 is so cute. Animal? Chewy. Could you please do a few more spinning tutorials? What are your favorite lightsaber tricks? I do have some new spinning tutorials planned for YouTube. I should be filming those soon. I always love the windmill, like the Obi Annie into the windmill. I love a lot of like reverse grip stuff and like reverse grip throws. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Oh my. Next, Anakin or Obi-Wan? I saw Theory ask this on his community posts a little while ago, and to be honest, I picked Obi-Wan Kenobi, but there's so many contexts you can put with that. It's like they're two completely different people. What was your favorite lightsaber growing up? Darth Vader's. I had like one of those retractable lightsabers. I had the Darth Vader one, and I still have it. I need to find it. What's your favorite Star Wars movie? My favorite Star Wars movie is Empire Strikes Back. Fan director for a Star Wars film. Who would I choose to direct a Star Wars film? Quentin Tarantino. Fan cast for a Star Wars film. I want to see Jeff Goldblum in Star Wars. What a surprise. No, but seriously, I would love to see Jeff Goldblum in a Star Wars film to be like the comedic relief. So at conventions, we can request guests we would like to see. If I vote you, would you go? Yes, I would go. Absolutely, I would go. I love conventions. I love conventions so much. I'm gonna finish this up and then get back to y'all when I'm done so my camera doesn't die. We finally finished all of the lights. These are our Christmas lightsaber lights. They look fine. They look definitely DIY'd, but they came out pretty cute. Not gonna lie, I'll show you guys, hold on. This is how the lights came out. They look like little lightsabers. They're really cute, and they're gonna look even cuter when the lights are actually on. But as you can see, I took duct tape and I put them around these straws, and they look like little lightsabers. So I'm kind of starting from the top and working my way down the tree and hoping for the best. This is gonna turn out really cute, I think. All right, those are the lights. Actually, the lights look really cute. So I got these ornaments at the store. Could this be any worse? Oh no! Could this be any more unfortunate? Could this really be? Why does everything I have to do have to be why? Why does everything I do have to be a disaster? No! How about Amanda with no legs? That's really depressing. That's really... Anyways, I'm gonna go get our hot glue gun. Let's just move on to our next ornament. I got a little Han Solo. I literally got like a miniature Han Solo. It's so cute. Just look how tiny it is. Just look. Oh my gosh. Just a miniature Han Solo. It's perfect. My next ornament definitely has to be my favorite. This is C-3PO and R2-D2. They talk and you'll see. There's like lights and stuff. Oh my god. I love it already.
R2-D2, where are you? R2-D2, where are you?
I'm gonna cry.
I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations, and this is
Y'all have to see this.
I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2. He says that he is the property of Obi-Wan Kenobi, and it's a private message for him. What message? The one you're carrying is about your rusty innards. Just you reconsider playing that message for him. No, I don't think he likes you at all. No,
that is so cute.
I don't like you either.
There, it's like nothing ever happened. Good as new. All right. You see, it's not the best, but it's the thought that counts. And I think it has personality to it. And the more the days go by, we're gonna add more and more ornaments to it. I completely forgot, but we actually have these leftover ornaments that we can use on this tree. Let's put them on. This is before the ornaments. And this is after. Now we're going to turn off the lights and see what the lightsaber lights look like. We have C-3PO and R2 right here. We have our mini Han Solo here and our Mando. And the lightsaber lights did not turn out bad. They look like lightsabers. They look like tiny little lightsabers. I like how it turned out. It turned out really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's Vlogmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed decorating our Star Wars tree together because this was so much fun, especially the lightsaber lights. If you liked this video and would like to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button because I am here for you every week with a new video, a new Vlogmas leading up to Christmas. I'll see you guys next week for our next Vlogmas. May the Force be with you. Bye!